Man, welcome to Big Daddy's Cooking Show. You know where we going? We're going to City Gate Distillery. Let's check it out, baby. See what they cooking with. I know we just walked all the way around just to get in this bad boy. It better be good. Look. Oh yeah, look at me working with y'all.
Get started on
All right, thank you. All right, this is Dan, folks. It's a Big Daddy Cooking Show. It's gonna try this out, okay? We got my man on the camera. That's Dan. Dan the man.
How we doing?
Try these right here. Maple syrup, and tea leaves.
Yeah, you
Hey, actually, that was my gosh.
take it away from this a little bit. Top of the entire market.
It tastes like your hot dog.
That's good.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is nice and
What else in this one?
so you'll find
This is
notes
peanut
of
butter
roasted
whiskey.
peanuts, coffee, chocolate truffle, and brown butter.
That's not bad, man.
Oh yeah, man. So if you want to do a peanut butter and we've only been producing this one for about 7 months now. But
I'll take a half on this one.
all right.
Oh, it's 7? Oh, it's 7.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Salted caramel. Wow. It's amazing. Yes, ma'am. All right, come on over. Here we go.
May you set up? You're actually going to be with my friend Joey in just a second.
Hey, no problem. Appreciate you. So this is, what section is this?
You're at rum and vodka now. You're going to be going through these three here.
Okay, we're now at the rum and vodka section. Let's look at that right here. Oh wow! Now what is this again?
That's grapefruit vodka.
Grapefruit vodka. Amazing. Wow.
This is Limoncello. She is our seasonal release spirit that we always drop during the spring and summer. And she's our labor of love product because for one batch it takes about 400 pounds of lemons, and we did 5 this year, so quite literally 2,000 pounds of lemons to make this beauty this year.
Oh my God.
She is worth it though. We use a blend of Meyer lemons, which are more sweeter, dessertier lemons, and traditionals, which are your sours. And our distillers peel those by hand. And then we let it sit in vodka for about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks. And then we bottle her up and get basically a pre-made lemon drop shot in a bottle. Cheers.
And that was the
Limoncello.
limoncello. Big Daddy approved. Pineapple rum. This is the final.
Pineapple rum is real simple. She's one of the more simply ended products because it's quite literally pineapple extract, high grade molasses rum, and that's it. Gives you a good rummy bite, but still a good fresh pineapple flavor. So I like it my Mai Tais and my rum runners, but my favorite is a pineapple mojito.
Pineapple mojito. Don't tell me that. That's one of our favorite drinks.
You gotta try it with this.
Bake. Should I say bake?
This is the
Pineapple rum.
pineapple rum.
Right?
Wow.
Ain't it so?
Wow. Big Daddy approved this.
This is a jelly top.
Which are you?
Wow. This is a 3-man operation. I'm amazed.
Right here.
Uh-oh, sorry about that. Look, y'all gonna be famous.
So, welcome to your final stop, which is moonshine. My name is Christine. I'm taking you through 4 samples today. And I'm going to start you off with a cocktail we call the Summer Storm. It's
Summer
1 part
Storm.
White Lightning Moonshine to 1 part Passion Fruit Sour Mix, so just shot for shot. Our White Lightning Moonshine is our only straight spirit we carry. It's 100 proof, so 50% alcohol. We mix it with the Passion Fruit Sour Mix, which is passion fruit juice, lime juice, sugar, and water. So this is like an adult Capri Sun.
Wow, you can start a car with that, huh?
Yeah, basically. Full glass. Are you doing full? Yep.
You want full bit?
Sweating already.
Okay, this is the Summer Storm. Let's try this out. Moonshine that is, baby. Oh my God. That's good. Summer Storm. That's approved.
It's gonna taste exactly how you think it's gonna taste. Like a melted creamsicle. Can't legally call it that because that's a trademark name and we don't really want to get sued. We would lose. There's a shelf-stable lactose in this, so are you guys okay with dairy?
Yes.
Perfect. I always ask, I don't want to make anybody sick. So that was the orange and cream moonshine.
Orange and cream. Let's try this.
Wonderful. So it's really great mixed with champagne. Make something
Oh wow, orange and cream.
Make something
Good with
called a
champagne.
mimoshine.
A mimosa.
Yeah, it's a really efficient mimosa. You do not need very
I'm a mimosa.
This one if you're making moonshine. I don't know why I don't make the rules.
Everyone makes it.
Yes. We did something a little bit different than the others on the market because a lot of them are spice forward. So it's cinnamon, like right in your face. It's an apple pie, so we kind of thought it should be, I don't know, apple forward, perhaps? Definitely smell it first. It's gonna smell like a freshly peeled Macintosh apple.
Big Ben, this one would be for you, man. Remember those apple pie drinks we made?
What they say in the
This is apple pie, baseball, and all of that. That's good. Wow. Come on now. Big Daddy approved.
Really?
Really?
Y'all are more generous with the fours.
We do what we can. So before we get to that final cup, guys, I wanted to thank you for coming in. We really do appreciate it. We're a very small business, so any support we can get is wonderful. If you liked anything enough to bring it home with you today, we do have some bottle deals going on. So if you buy 2 spirits, you're going to get the third one half off. If you buy 5, you get the 6th one for free, and we'll pop it all in with this cooler for you.
Oh, don't do me like
Yeah,
that.
they got me with that deal, gosh, 3 times before I got hired. So I have 3 coolers, and I should have waited, you know?
We can't bring these on the plane though.
If you check your bag, yes. So you can check up to 5 liters, I believe, if it's a, you know, called the apple pie swizzle. It's going to be 2 parts apple pie moonshine to 1 part Ancient City spice mix. And you've been drinking, so you don't want to remember that. It's written on the side of the bottle under tropical swizzle. So 2 shots.
Love it.
Ancient City Spice is going to be pineapple juice, lime juice, ginger juice, sugar, water, cinnamon, cardamom, clove, and nutmeg.
Monday.
Our
Really?
ginger for today. So
There you go.
Yeah.
It puts the crust on the apple pie.
There it is. What's the name of this one again?
That's the apple pie swizzle.
Apple pie swizzle. The nutmeg. I can definitely check that nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
So sadly, guys, that is going to be the end of the tour. So if you want to take
Wow.
all your empty cups, toss them in